see, that's another thing. When you talk about a revolution, most people think violence, without realizing that the real content of any kind of revolutionary thrust lies in the principles and the goals that you strive, not in the way you reach them.
It was the funkiest stuff, and we all wanted to play funk and jazz funk. And that music was the basis, really the basis for all jazz rock almost, you know. And the drum parts were what we flipped out over, you know, as much as anything. The way the drums, bass, guitar, keyboards, and vocals all work together, interlocking, you know. So I think that they were the music, you know. The rhythm is the music, and the drums